Hello and welcome to our channel. We're Gaia and Martina and today we're going to show you how to cook simple pancakes. For realize this recipe, it won't take long because it's very simple and cheap. After saying this, let's get started with the ingredients. For this recipe we need 250 grams of flour, 250 milliliters of milk, 2 eggs, 20 grams of sugar, 10 grams of yeast, 30 grams of melted butter, and just enough butter for cooking. As you can see, we have already prepared the ingredients that we will need on the work surface. First of all, we break both the eggs and then we whisk them with a fork. Second, we add milk and melted butter. After adding them, we must whisk again. Next, we add flour, yeast and sugar together with the liquids. And then whisk everything together. Now we can melt some butter in a pan. After that, we can add a little dough. After 30 seconds, we turn the pancake. When it's ready, serve it with icing sugar on a plate and taste it if you want.